Air travel after 60 comes with a hidden layer of protection and comfort most passengers never discover. These senior travel rights exist quietly inside airline policies and airport systems worldwide, yet very few travelers ever claim them. The truth is simple. Once a passenger crosses 60, airlines often unlock a series of overlooked privileges that can save money, reduce stress, and transform the airport experience entirely. But here is the problem. Almost no airport announces them, and almost no airline promotes them. The key word every senior traveler should remember is senior travel rights. These words hold the key to services, savings, and protections that remain buried in policy manuals and internal guidelines. Without knowing these rights, many passengers continue paying extra fees, standing in long lines, and missing out on support that was designed specifically for them. In this series, forgotten travel rights for seniors will be revealed. Some can be claimed before booking a ticket, others become available at check-in, security, or even minutes before boarding. Each one exists quietly behind the scenes, waiting for those who know where to look and what to request. Before continuing, take a moment to support the channel. Like the video and subscribe for more travel insights that airlines and airports rarely discuss openly. Now, it is time to uncover the first set of forgotten travel rights that can change every future journey. Number 1. Free medical priority clearance most seniors can request. Airports are built for speed, not comfort. Long lines, crowded security zones, and constant walking can turn travel into an exhausting experience. What remains largely unknown is that many international airports allow passengers over 60 to request medical priority clearance without presenting medical documents. This service was introduced to reduce fatigue and prevent health incidents among older travelers. It allows seniors to move through check-in and security using dedicated lanes normally reserved for special assistance passengers. These lanes often move faster and provide additional staff support. Most travelers assume priority clearance requires visible disability or a formal medical note. That assumption keeps this service hidden. In reality, many airports classify age over 60 as a valid reason for requesting lighter screening and shorter waiting times. Staff members can activate this assistance in seconds when asked politely. Airports rarely advertise this option because it requires additional coordination and staff allocation. The fewer people who request it, the easier operations remain. As a result, the policy exists quietly in internal guidelines rather than public announcements. Number 2. The little-known right to request a quiet waiting area. Airports are loud environments filled with constant announcements, crowds, and movement. For older travelers, especially those sensitive to noise or fatigue, this can become overwhelming. What many do not realize is that numerous airports now maintain designated quiet waiting areas or rest zones for senior and special assistance passengers. These areas are not always marked clearly on airport maps. Some exist inside lounges, others are located near assistance desks or medical rooms. They provide comfortable seating, calmer surroundings, and sometimes even complimentary water or tea. This service originated as part of accessibility planning. Airports recognize that long waiting periods in noisy terminals could increase stress and disorientation for older travelers. Quiet spaces were created to provide a more peaceful environment before boarding. However, because these areas are limited in size, airports rarely promote them openly. Instead, they are offered only when requested through information desks or special assistance counters. Number 3. Senior pre-boarding for overhead storage security. Boarding a plane can feel rushed and chaotic. Overhead bins fill quickly, and late boarding often means lifting heavy bags into limited space. Many airlines quietly allow senior passengers to pre-board, even without elite status or special tickets, particularly to ensure safe storage of carry-on luggage. This policy exists because airlines recognize that lifting bags into overhead compartments can pose injury risks for older passengers. Early boarding reduces that risk by allowing more time and available space. Crew members can also assist without the pressure of a crowded aisle. The right to request pre-boarding is often hidden behind general priority boarding announcements. Families with small children and premium passengers are called first, but seniors may also qualify when they identify themselves at the gate. Gate agents can update boarding groups instantly. Airlines do not always announce this option publicly because expanding early boarding groups can slow operations. Number 4, the hidden right to flight change flexibility for seniors. Flight changes and cancellations often come with steep fees. Yet many airlines quietly offer flexible change policies for passengers over 60, especially on long-haul routes or during medical or family situations. These policies allow date adjustments or routing changes with reduced or waived fees. This flexibility exists to accommodate health concerns and unpredictable needs that may arise with older travelers. Airlines understand that rigid policies can create hardship, so internal guidelines often allow agents to override standard change penalties for seniors. The challenge is visibility. These options rarely appear during online booking or in public fare rules. They are usually accessible only through customer service representatives or airport ticket counters. Passengers who never ask remain bound to standard change fees. When travel plans shift, contacting the airline directly and identifying the passenger as a senior can open the door to alternative solutions. Agents may offer free date changes, partial refunds, or travel credits that standard passengers would not receive. Number 5. Free escort service through connecting airports. Large international airports can feel like endless mazes, especially during tight connections. What remains largely unknown is that many airports provide complimentary escort services for senior passengers, transferring between flights. These escorts guide travelers from arrival gates to departure gates, assist with directions, and help manage time between flights. In some cases, electric carts are provided to speed up movement across long terminals. The service reduces confusion and prevents missed connections. Airports created this program to improve safety and reduce delays caused by lost or late passengers. Despite its usefulness, promotion remains minimal. Escort staff are limited, and airports prefer to reserve the service for those who actively request it. Number 6. Senior-only customer service hotlines. Long phone queues and automated menus can make airline support difficult to access. Some major airlines maintain dedicated customer service lines for senior passengers, designed to provide faster assistance and clearer communication. These hotlines are not always listed prominently on websites. They may appear only within accessibility sections or be provided by agents when requested. The purpose is to ensure that older travelers receive timely help with bookings, changes, and special requests. Airlines created these lines to improve service quality and reduce confusion for complex itineraries. Yet widespread promotion could overwhelm limited staff resources. As a result, the numbers remain quietly available rather than widely advertised. Number 7. Extra time protection during security screening. Security screening can feel rushed and stressful, especially when lines move quickly and instructions come rapidly. What remains largely unspoken is that many airport security authorities provide additional processing time and assistance for passengers over 60 when requested. This protection exists to prevent falls, confusion, and unnecessary pressure during screening. Officers are permitted to slow the process, provide seating if needed, and offer clearer guidance without rushing senior travelers through the line. It creates a safer and more dignified experience. However, because airports aim to maintain fast-moving queues, this option is rarely announced publicly. Officers typically wait for passengers to identify themselves as needing extra time or support. Without that request, seniors are processed like every other traveler, often feeling pressured to keep pace. Number 8. The right to keep medical devices and supplies close. Many senior travelers carry essential medical devices such as blood pressure monitors, mobility aids, or medication kits. Few realize that international aviation guidelines allow these items to be carried in addition to standard baggage limits when declared properly. Airlines and aviation authorities created this policy to ensure health equipment remains accessible throughout the journey. Items considered medically necessary can often be carried without counting toward standard carry-on limits. Some airlines even allow additional medical bags at no extra cost. The challenge is awareness. Booking systems rarely highlight this option, and airport staff may not mention it unless asked. Travelers who stay silent sometimes pay unnecessary baggage fees or are asked to check important equipment. Informing the airline in advance and declaring medical items at check-in usually activates this protection. Staff can tag the equipment as priority or medical carry-on, allowing it to remain within reach during the flight. Number 9. Senior seat protection during overbooked flights. Overbooking is a common airline practice. When flights fill beyond capacity, passengers may be asked to give up seats. What remains largely unknown is that many airlines maintain internal guidelines to avoid involuntarily removing passengers over 60 whenever possible. These guidelines exist because older travelers may face greater difficulty with last-minute schedule changes, overnight delays, or long waits for alternative flights. Protecting their seats helps maintain safety and comfort while reducing potential health risks. Airlines rarely announce this policy publicly because overbooking procedures are complex and vary by situation. However, gate agents often prioritize keeping senior passengers on their original flights when identifying volunteers for rebooking. Number 10. Hidden hotel and meal support during long delays. Flight delays can stretch for hours or even overnight. Many passengers accept minimal compensation without realizing additional support may be available. For senior travelers, airlines often have internal policies allowing enhanced assistance during extended disruptions. These policies can include hotel accommodation priority, meal vouchers, transportation support, or access to quieter waiting areas. They were created to reduce fatigue and health risks associated with long airport stays for older passengers. Public announcements typically mention only standard compensation rules. Enhanced senior consideration is often applied quietly when age is identified and requests are made calmly. Staff have discretionary authority to provide additional comfort measures. During long delays or cancellations, approaching the airline service desk and identifying the traveler as over 60 can unlock these extra considerations. Agents may offer faster hotel placement, additional meal support, or rebooking on more convenient flights. This turns a frustrating delay into a manageable situation with greater comfort and care. Number 11. The right to request seatbelt extenders and comfort aids early. Comfort during flight plays a major role in overall travel experience. Many airlines provide comfort aids such as seatbelt extenders, additional cushions, or assistance with overhead bins for senior passengers. Yet these services are rarely discussed openly. Crew members are trained to prioritize safety and comfort for older travelers, but often wait for requests before offering assistance. This approach respects privacy while allowing passengers to determine their own needs. Requesting comfort aids during boarding rather than after takeoff allows crew members to provide discreet and efficient support. Early requests ensure seating adjustments can be made before the cabin becomes crowded. Number 12. Senior access to airport medical and wellness rooms. Most major airports maintain medical or wellness rooms designed to assist travelers experiencing fatigue, dizziness, or minor health concerns. These facilities are available to all passengers, but are particularly intended to support older travelers. They provide seating, basic medical assessment, hydration, and a quiet place to rest. Some even offer reclining chairs or oxygen support for temporary relief. Despite their presence, these rooms remain largely unknown because airports avoid promoting medical services unless necessary. Information desks and assistance counters can direct passengers to these facilities when requested. Staff may also arrange transportation to the room if walking long distances becomes difficult. Here's the truth. Airports and airlines operate within tight schedules and complex logistics. Promoting every available senior benefit would require additional staff, resources, and coordination. As a result, many helpful policies remain quietly embedded within internal systems rather than displayed openly. These rights were created to protect comfort, safety, and dignity for older travelers. Yet they rely heavily on passenger awareness. Systems respond when requests are made. Without those requests, benefits remain dormant. Understanding these forgotten travel rights changes the entire airport experience. Instead of navigating blindly through crowds and queues, informed travelers move with greater ease and confidence. So here we are, travel rights that seniors must know. If you like the video, click the like button. And for more travel insights that airlines rarely explain clearly, subscribe to the channel. Staying informed turns every trip into a smarter, calmer, and far more comfortable experience.